Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make roasted smashed potatoes. These potatoes are soft and creamy on the inside, but they have an amazing crispy exterior. You're gonna love them, I promise. This recipe, we are going to start with baby red potatoes. I love using these potatoes in this recipe because they have a soft skin and the insides get really creamy when we roast them, while the skins are gonna get nice and crispy on the outside. Perfect. You could also use purple potatoes or baby white potatoes. I find that the baby ones work best, and you wanna make sure they're washed and dried before you use them. So scrub them up if you need to. Next, we're gonna pour some water right onto our baking sheet. We're gonna cover it tightly with foil so we can really get some steam action going and make those potatoes nice and soft. Next, we're gonna roast them in a high oven. Okay, so our potatoes are done. We took them out of the oven. Let's see how they look. Look at that steam, beautiful steam. We're just gonna test them to make sure that they're tender enough. So I'm gonna pick this big guy right here. Oh yeah, the knife goes in very easy and comes right out. They're done perfectly. Next, we're gonna drizzle them with some olive oil. And then just use your hands and roll them around. They're kind of hot, so be careful. You don't wanna spend too much time on any one potato. Now that all of our potatoes are coated in the olive oil, we're going to use, I'm using a dinner glass. We're gonna take this glass and we're gonna flatten these bad boys out to about a ½ inch or 1/3 of an inch. Okay, a couple more things. We're gonna pop these bad boys back in the oven. I'm gonna give them all another quick drizzle of olive oil. We're going to give them a sprinkle of my house seasoning blend. I love using this stuff. It adds so much more flavor than traditional salt and pepper. And the last thing we're going to add to our roasted smashed potatoes is some fresh chopped thyme. Now we're gonna pop them back into the oven for a little bit longer to get those edges nice and crispy. Okay, our potatoes are done. They finished their roasting and just look at those crispy edges. I can't wait to dive into these with a fork. Thanks for watching. You can get the full recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single recipe. And be sure to check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.